In this video, I will show you how to create a melting text effect like that. Here I have made a background using Rectangle tool. You can also use any background that you have. In the first step, use Type tool to insert the text. Set the position of the text first. Next step, add the CC plastic effect to the text layer. For the softness value, I changed it to 35 and height 10. After that, add the CC glass effect. Click the drop-down on the surface section. For softness, I changed the value to 25. Still on the text layer. Add bevel alpha so that the text looks thick. In edge thickness, I changed the value to 13. And next, add the CC smear effect to the text layer. Then move the point of from to one of the text. And on the point of 2, move it to the bottom. At second one, I activate the keyframe on the reach setting. Change the value to 0. And in the next few seconds, add a keyframe and change the value to 800. And then use the Easy Ease effect for both keyframes that have been created. To speed up creating the smear effect for each letter, duplicate the CC smear by pressing Ctrl+D. Change the from and to points according to the letter placement. To give variation, move the keyframe to the next few frames. You can determine the duration that is suitable for your video. Do the same for several letters. For the letter M, I added keyframes in the from section, so that when it melts, it is not only in the center. Next step, add the turbulent displace effect to the text layer. In the displacement setting, use turbulent smoother. In the amount value, I changed it to 15. Open the expression option in Evolution by clicking on the stopwatch icon while holding down the Alt key. Then type time*55. To give it some variety, I will add a bubble effect. I duplicate the background layer and then use CC bubbles. On the bubble amount, I reduce the value to 70 and bubble speed 0. For the shading part, I use fade outwards. And change the color, so that it isn't the same as the background layer. And the result will be like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in another tutorial.